Hi, this is Asu watching Mr. Ans channel on YouTube. In this video, we have a topic of reflection of sound. So, in this topic, we're gonna learn how sound has a reflection or the echo. In the closed area, when you speak, you can hear your own voice 2 times, 3 times. It is all because the echo of the sound in the closed area, because the sound goes and comes back. This is the reflection of sound. When we clap or shout near a reflecting surface such as tall building or a mountain, we hear the same sound again a little later. What caused this? This sound which we hear is called an echo and is a result of reflection of sound from the surface. We have a next definition of reflection of sound. When sound is incident on the surface of a medium, it bounces back into the first medium. This phenomena is called echo or reflection of sound. So if the sound comes back for the second time or third time, the same voice, then we can say that this is a reflection of the sound. The sensation of sound persists in our brain for about 0.1 second. To hear a clear echo, the time interval between our sound and the reflected sound must be at 0.1 second. If we consider speed of sound to be 340 meter per second at a normal temperature in air, we will hear the echo after 0.1 second. The total distance covered by the sound from the point of generation to the reflecting surface and back should be at least 340 meter per second and multiply by 0.1 second is equal to 34.0 meter. Thus, for hearing distance echoes, the minimum distance of the obstacle from the source of sound must be half of this distance, 70 meter. So this is the distance should be from that medium which is producing sound. We must be at least in the distance from 70 meter. Echoes may be heard more than once due to a successive or multiple reflection. We can hear this echo more than one time. Next we have activity. Take two identical plates pipe of a suitable length. We can make the pipes using chart paper. Arrange the pipes on a table near a wall. Place a clock near the open end of one of the pipe and try to hear the sound of the clock through the other pipe. Adjust the position of the pipe so that you can hear the sound of the clock clearly. Now measure the angles of incidence and reflection. So here this is what, and see the relationship between the angle. Lift the pipe on the right vertically to a small height and observe what happens. Here you can see you have pipes and you have this clock on the opening of one pipe. This is angle of incident, this is your screen, this is angle of reflection. So you will hear this voice that comes to this. Can you hear this? This is your wall, this is your table. So you have to see, can you hear this sound with the sound waves, the reflection? So for your information, wave on screen microphone, by using an oscilloscope you can see sound waves. So gonna see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.